15 English mistakes that Japanese people often make. Perfect for beginners and kids. That English actually doesn't work. This is a Viking. That does not work. What should I say? It is a buffet. It is a buffet. I go to the front. That is not correct. What is the right word? It is the front desk. It is the front desk. Turn on the cooler. That sounds odd. What should I say? Turn on the air conditioner. Turn on the air conditioner. Use the range. That is not right. What is it in English? It is a microwave. It is a microwave. Close the chuck. That does not work. How do you say it? It is a zipper. It is a zipper. Put a seal. That is different. What is the right word? It is a sticker. It is a sticker. Hold the handle. That is not right. What should I say? Hold the steering wheel. Hold the steering wheel. This is a note PC. It is unclear. How do you say it? It is a laptop. It is a laptop. Play trump. That is not correct. What should I say? Play cards. Play cards. Skinship is important. That does not work. How do you say it? Physical contact. Physical contact. Pay by credit. That sounds odd. What should I say? Pay by card. Pay by card. Give me a vinyl bag. That is not right. What is it in English? It is a plastic bag. It is a plastic bag. Do you have a baby car? That does not work. How do you say it? It is a stroller. It is a stroller. This is an American dog. That is not correct. What is the right word? It is a corn dog. It is a corn dog. I am a talent. That is different. What should I say? I am a celebrity. I am a celebrity. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.